Hi and welcome back, it's Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today is Tuesday and I'm back with my weekly stamping collabs. Our host this week was Francis and these are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. At the end I'll have individual photos and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. Let's get started. For my base I chose this gorgeous kale polish called Caramello. I've been wearing it for 5 days and this is how it looks. My left hand looks pretty good. I'm only missing a little piece off my thumbnail. But on my right hand, I've had a little bit more wear and I'm missing more pieces on the tips of my nails. Instead of removing the polish completely and starting over, I'm going to freshen up this manicure by adding some pretty fall designs. Before stamping, I wanted to add a little bit of glitter to the tips of all my nails, so I started off with a little piece of sponge and I put the glitter polish right onto the sponge and then dabbed it onto the tips of my nails. The glitter I'm using is from Sinful colors and it's called Splatter Spell. It is a little bit too dark because it has black pieces of glitter inside, so I'm going to switch to this other one from LaColors and it's called PB&J, which is a little bit lighter. I really like the way this one looks, so I use the sponge to apply it to the tips of all my nails. I applied a little bit more of the kale polish to this nail because it was driving me nuts. And it looks much better now. Now I'm ready to start stamping and I'll be using this Born Pretty plate BPL026 to stamp this image on all my nails with this Revlon nail polish called Beachy. The stamping looks very subtle and delicate. I stamp it on all my nails. And to clean up, I use a piece of tape. As a final step, I seal in the stamping using my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. The manicure is now complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Here are all the manicures that were prepared for this week's collab. Check the description box for links to their videos. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.